Wait, did you know Google is giving out the Gemini High Pro features for free? Yeah, you heard me right, but there is a criteria to it. This is only available for students. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to activate yours and the benefit you stand to gain activating yours as a student. If you are watching Design and Tech Up for the first time, I'm Kolade, your Design and Tech tutor. Please make sure to click on the subscribe button. Put on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post new and amazing videos like this. And as for the returning viewers, thank you, I really appreciate. Without wasting much of our time, let's dive in.
The activation link will be made available in the video description. Once you click on it, it gets you to redirected to a page like this where you see get offer. You click on get offer and then you get redirected to another page where you will be seeing verify eligibility. Click on that and then you get redirected to another page. On this new page, you're going to be verifying your student status. So the first thing you're going to be doing is inputting your country name. Next is educational establishment name. You're going to input your name, your surname, your name, your actual name, which is your first name, your date of birth information, and then your email address, be it your student email or your own personal email. And then your educational establishment name must be filled in as well. This is your tertiary institution name, be it a college of education, a polytechnic, or a university. You have to fill in that as well. Once you've done that, then you are going to swipe down where you see verify as student eligibility. You click on that. After filling in your educational establishment name, you click on that. Then you wait to receive a mail in your email you've filled in while registering. Upon receiving the mail, you click on finish verifying and you open with any browser on your smartphone. Once you've done that, you get redirected to a page where you are going to be uploading your means of verification that you are a student. So as you can see on the screen, your means of verification must have your full name, your academic institution, just like you are entered in it when you're doing the registration. You can either use your student ID card or you use your school fees payment receipt. The recent one, you should use that. That will be more faster in getting verified. After some minutes of doing this, you will be getting verified. Then the next thing is to click on get Google AI Pro. Once you've done that, a mode of payment will be needed. You need to click on uh, get the offer. Once you click on that, you will be asked to like input your card and number, your card number, your name. You fill in a mode of payment. Note, this is not that you're paying. It only to verify that you are ready to get this, and once you've done that, an amount of 15 naira will be debited from your account and then will be reversed in some minutes later. I will advise you make sure to set a reminder to remind you later next year to cancel this so as not to be debited. Once you've done that, you will be able to activate the Gemini AI Pro for free and it lasts for a year. Boom, after inputting your mode of payment, you get subscribed on the Gemini AI Pro. With this, you get access to the most capable models and premium features, create high quality videos with video models. You get access to Gemini features including the research, Gemini in your Gmail, Docs, and more. And you get access to a 2 terabyte of total storage and more premium benefits.
Just how you can activate the Google Gemini AI Pro student plan for free for a whole year. If you find this video helpful, click on the subscribe button and put on the notification bell to get notified when I upload my next video. And as for the returning viewers, thanks for watching. Until my next video, stay subscribed.